My name is Mrityunjay Sarkar and this is Beginner Coding. I created this channel with a view to help the students or others who are interested in programming to learn the basics and move on to advanced levels of programming. This channel will basically focus on programming languages like C, C++, Java and Python so that it helps them to understand the basics of those programming languages, and then we move on to the advanced levels of programming. Now, before we start with videos and upcoming things, I wanted you guys to know that with every video we are going to solve questions, so then it helps you guys to understand the topic clearly. Now those questions can be of class 10 standards, class 11, class 12, or the GATE standards. And in future I am thinking of starting tutorials on Android, Flutter and machine learning and all, so you can subscribe to the channel and get started with the basics, and then we will start with the advanced parts such as Android programming, machine learning and also Flutter, which is beautiful cross development platform for Android and iOS. So please subscribe. Who knows, you are going to turn out to be a great programmer. Thank you.